I'll guide you through how to turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone the easy way, without knowing the device requirements or where to find the setting. If you're looking to try new features like Genmoji, or you want a more powerful and intuitive Siri, and you want to activate the new AI features on your iPhone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, you must have a compatible iPhone, which includes the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and all new iPhone 16 models. You also need to be running iOS 18.2 or a newer version. Make sure your device is fully updated before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your device is compatible, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Apple Intelligence or Apple Intelligence and Siri option. You'll see a prompt to enable the feature. Tap to turn it on. You may also be asked to join a waitlist, which is a normal part of the rollout. To confirm that Apple Intelligence is active, press and hold the side button on your iPhone to bring up the new, more capable Siri. You can also look for a new keyboard icon in apps that indicates the feature is ready to use. By this, you have successfully turned on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.